We were discussing additional features of ChatGPT 4 so that one can decide whether it is worth paying the subscription of $20 per month. As I said, there are three important additional capabilities in GPT-4. That is, creativity is far superior. Second, it can take visual input. And third, it can understand a much larger context. So let us see in detail about each of this. Creativity. GPT-4 is capable of composing songs. It can write screenplays for a movie or for drama. It can mimic a user's writing style. For example, suppose you are an author and you have worked a long on 250 pages of a novel, but you are not clearly getting the idea what should be the climax. Then you can feed entire 250 pages as input into the chat GPT, and then it will generate several possible climax for you based on the criteria which you have specified. Say, give a vague ending, give an ending where hero wins, give an ending which is sad, give an ending where wins, and so on. And not only ordinary literature, but it can even generate technical writing. So today it is not that advanced, but in future and very near future, it will be able to generate entire software product documentation by reviewing the code which your software offers. Second, visual input. It can accept images as input. It can generate captions. It can classify images and it can analyze them. So that is one thing. An example is this is the example taken from OpenAI's website only. This image is fed as an input to the GPT-4 model. The image has milk and some curd and flour and eggs. And the model is asked what recipe or what items can be prepared using the ingredients which are shown in the model. And it came out with this answer that there are many options for what you can make with these ingredients, say pancakes, waffles, crepes, French toast, omelette, and so on. So, this is amazing because that means it has taken this whole image not as one input, it understood various different parts of the image and it made a, a relation between them that what recipe relates these four parts and then it gave out. Not only that, once this output is obtained, you can further refine the prompt. As I have already said, this is a conversational model. Then you can tell it, okay, then give me a detailed recipe. I want to make pancakes, and it will give you the detailed recipe also. So it is thinking by making connections between the four components of this model. Isn't this amazing? And isn't this almost near to real thinking? Large context. In GPT 3.5, the model was able to handle only around some 4,000 tokens, and each token is equal to some 4 words, or I think 2,000 tokens. But in short, its input capacity was very small. But here, 25,000 words of text input you can give, which means you can simultaneously feed 50 to 60 pages of content. Then you can ask for summary, synthesis, convert to bulleted point, find keywords, represent the content in tabular manner, and so on. And it will go on doing that. As I said, one must keep in mind comparison of 3.5 and versus 3. GPT-4. So in this performance wise, say for example, giving performing as a student for some complicated examinations, university bar examination, this in the left, sorry, this on the left side, GPT was in 10th percentile, but GPT-4 straightway jumps to 90th percentile. And biology Olympiad, GPT 331st percentile, GPT-4 is 99th percentile. Now that means our educators and policymakers will have to completely rethink the way we conduct the examination, or they can ban the use of GPT if they wish. But bans have never worked on technological advancements in past, though currently Japan and some other countries have already banned GPT in classrooms and in universities. But that is until they come out with a policy to handle this behemoth. Otherwise, this is a technological wonder, and nobody knows at present where it will lead us. Thank you.